supposed to go off at 1 o'clock. We're trying to wait, see if we can get in the house to see what it looks like. Should be a house full of antique stuff. Look at there. They got a miniature piano. I would have thought they'd had a baby grand in a house like this.
They may in another room.
They may in another room.
We're not through yet.
So I wasn't about to bring it up those stairs.
That's old glass. It's got ripples from the water where it was made in that curio cabinet right there.
That's so cool. What are the figurines?
I love antiques. I'm in heaven.
But see, I was just going to say, I watched Antique Roadshow trying to see what mark is under the
But I
bottom
can't
of
afford
them.
none of it.
Look at the commode.
I do have something.
Oh, this is number one.
Look at the commode.
Just like my grandmother's house.
That was a colored commode before the 70s.
Yeah, I took a picture of the commode too.
That's a neat commode. Let's see if I can get another shot of that bathroom in there. Look at there. Corner tub, like a jacuzzi. Pedestal lab. Green. The opulence of this house is something that's just out of real. Look at that table right there.
Oh, here's good.
And it steps out, and all of it's sitting on that little base there.
An angle and have your bed still packed up. I've never seen so much mauve in one place. Something, so much what? Oh, mauve. Yeah, that was the color back. I know my grandmother had that mauve everywhere. Mauve, dusty rose.
They got all kind of little balconies and stuff that you can't go out on the tour. Curio porcelain doll in a closet there. Curio built-in curio cabinets. This is the purple room, the guest room. What you think?
Pretty neat.
They spent a lot of stuff on little
And stuff.
on stuff like you do.
I don't have that kind of stuff.
Yeah, but I'm talking about precious moments and that kind of stuff. What do you call that stuff you got? Denim days.
There's another picture of him.
Yep. Another stairs going down. The only curved issue that I saw back there was that around there. There's not very many curves anywhere.
Mother Grace shared this far bedroom over here until her late 50s. She developed cancer. They had to hire somebody to stay with her, so he moved into here, which was the sitting room. She had arthritis. Here comes somebody else.
She had arthritis?
Me too.
She had arthritis, cancer, and died of a heart attack.
Huh.
Oh, man. Yeah.
So
That
that,
arthritis will make you wish he's dead, but
I'm telling you,
it won't do it.
not a happy thing, is it?
No, I got it bad.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I was just telling them that they shared that far bedroom until her late 50s.
Here's another
Oh,
bathroom.
okay. Oh, cool, another bathroom. I always like the bathrooms.
You know, we thought colored fixtures in bathrooms and kitchens was
50s or 60s.
60s and 70s, but apparently it wasn't.
No, they saw those at the 1933 World's Fair.
World's Fair. Okay.
We were just talking about the World's Fair. I went to the one when I was in 1973. Well, I feel like it some days.
Look at the china closet. Silverware.
You're in my way. Move that thing. Okay.
China closet, silverware. Silver chest. Look at it. Now here's what I like. Look at this kitchen. Look at that ice freezer and ice box. Carrier. Look at that hooded stove. Look at old coat.
Oh, my favorite room in the whole house.
Look at this. You ain't seen nothing. Look in there. And now look at here. Same time. You can get closer.
Did anybody get to tell you about the kitchen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
How about you guys?
Tell us about the kitchen.
All right.
Come on, we'll go back in there.
Let me see somebody. Let me get where you're at.
All right.
Move, baby.
She found like a blender from like 1954. And she fixed it, repainted it, put it out there. It's amazing.
Now, did you see all three of these rooms?
No, we didn't go in there.
That used to be the food pantry.
Okay.
This room was the bottle room. See those rooms over there?
Yeah.
And that room, the green room, is the Sunday night supper room.
Sunday night
So see
supper.
those? I'm gonna take you out this way.
Okay. And that was a freezer right there.
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator?
That's the freezer.
Oh, that's the freezer? Okay. Baby, you didn't see this room over here.
I'll tell you more about this when you come out of there.
Okay. Is that a dishwasher right there?
Yes, sir.
Oh, God. Woo. This is the wine room, bottle room right here, she said. Where they kept the wine.
If you were trying to come in after curfew, don't come this way.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, this is the Sunday supper room, is what they said. This is the wine room right here, she said, the bottle room. Break room for the household staff.
I got one of those instant pots and I can't stop.
Let me get over here.
And this was the green supper room. This was the green Sunday supper room. Sunday night supper room. Let me get out of the way.
You saw the one there, didn't you?
Yes,
I don't want y'all to miss.
Boat motor running in the background. Boathouse. The view off of the Fowl River flows into Mobile Bay. People out there fishing, view in the distance. Look at that beautiful old tree. Here comes the Queen. There's the house. There's my Queen.
Glad I made this journey with you.
If you like my Papa's channel, Road Maps and Chaos, make sure to like and smash that subscribe button.
We pray we'll see you in the rapture.